Yo, what up? Working on this Chevy Silverado 2000 parking brake shoes. The manual says to pull the axle shafts. I know they slip on and off. And I fought with it a little bit, and then I learned the trick. So yeah, get the backside started. Okay, then walk it around. And then all you need to do is push right there. Let me zoom out here. Okay. So it mounts there, one little bolt holds it on. Same thing, we're gonna unhook one side. Bam. Won't lie, the other side I tried to smack it off, pry it off, shake it off, and then I figured it out. So hook this side in first, walk this side around, booyah.